If someone has all the indicators of developing CKD, that is chronic kidney disease, then these people usually wonder, what are the signs and symptoms? What are the ways by which I can judge whether I have developed CKD or not? So here I am, Dr. Neha Sharma, practicing doctor at Bharat Homeopathy. We will be talking about 7 important symptoms of a chronic kidney disease case. Symptom number 1, a change in urine output. If you are facing any change in your urine output, maybe the urine output has decreased or increased, or any change in its color, or you feel like that you're passing blood with urine, or you feel any symptoms of irritation or burning while passing urine, then this can be one indicator that you have developed CKD. Symptom number 2, any signs of swelling. Usually in the starting stages of CKD, patient develop pedal edema, which is a kind of pitting edema, as in if you will press a finger on the area, it's going to pit inside, it's going to present with a dip. So if you have any symptoms like that, and suppose you wake up in the morning and you feel like you have symptoms of swelling on the eyes or maybe on the face, then this can be one indicator of CKD. Symptom number 3, change in appetite. If in the past few months you have been observing that you don't feel like eating much, or whenever you eat your meal you feel like nauseating, and sometimes you even end up vomiting, this can be one symptom of CKD, and it is usually due to increased urea in your body. Symptom number 4, a change in your skin. In the past few days, if you feel like that your skin is more itchy, more dry, this can be one symptom of CKD, and it is usually because of the increased serum urea and serum creatinine in your blood. If you feel like you're very tired and you don't feel like doing anything, even if you do, you get tired, very lazy. You feel like yawning all the day. If you climb stairs, you feel shortness of breath, as in you feel any kind of breathlessness. These are indicators of CKD. It usually happens because of the low hemoglobin in your blood. Symptom number 6, muscle cramps. If you feel that your muscles, especially in the lower limbs, especially at the calf area, you feel a lot of cramps, this can also indicate, along with the above symptoms I've told you, this indicates multivitamin deficiency in your body, and this can also represent CKD. And lastly, symptom number 7, but obviously not the least, if you feel that your blood pressures and blood sugar levels are not within the normal limits, even if you are on regular medications that you have been taking for a very long period of time, yet you feel like your blood pressure is elevated and your sugar is not getting under control, this also represents a progressive case of CKD. If you are positive on any of the symptoms that I've listed above, you should go get yourself tested. Just go for a simple kidney function test and a complete blood count, which will help you get to know about your hemoglobin levels, coupled with a urine test, routine and microscoping. All these values will let you know whether you have developed CKD or not. Even if you have, do not worry, do not panic. You just need right guidance, and homeopathic medicines can help you solve your problem of CKD. Get in touch with Bharat Homeopathy team and we will be there to help you. Thank you.